It's done, like, I'm setting pace.
Saying nothing, bro. Saying nothing.
What are you saying? Are you good, yeah?
Chilling, bro. How's isolation been? How's quarantine?
Oh,
You
keep
safe?
working. That's his plan.
Good, bro. Good.
Like, speak up in it because I'm driving, so I can't really hear too well.
Cool. Just go for it, bro.
Wait, one sec, let me just turn here.
Yeah, put your belt on. I like that. Put your belt on.
Like, how long do you want?
Say again?
How long do you want?
30 seconds. I'll get the timer up. 1 minute.
More, bit more.
1 minute. You want more?
Yeah, come on, 1 minute.
We'll do 1 minute.
So,
Hold on.
are you ready, yeah?
Go.
I'm taking the piss. Bro, what the fuck am I doing, fam? What the fuck?
He's about to get 6 points. No, keep going.
I'm going, don't worry.
Bad man. Bad man. Bad man.
Huh?
Bad man.
What?
I said you're a bad man.
Hey, one time, yeah, I must have been in Selfridges and I saw you, yeah?
Yeah.
You were like, are you Jewish? And I was like, nah. And you started screaming in Selfridges, my Jew, my Jew. I was like, what the fuck?
Who,
I was
me?
there at the time. Yeah, you, fam. By offspring, I was like, what the fuck?
I was screaming to you saying, my Jew.
Yeah, G, I must have come up to you and got a photo of you, yeah? And then after you, like, my Jew, my Jew, my Jew. And I was like, what?
I was saying my G, not my Jew.
No, you were saying my Jew. Like, mum's life, you were saying my Jew. Like, 100% Jew.
Oh,
You call me Jewish,
do any of
everything.
you not remember? Listen, I'm never
I
in
was back,
Selfridges by myself.
G, by offspring, yeah, you with some guy. I have a photo of it if you want it, but like, you were just going, my Jew, bare.
Plus the fact. I
It
mean,
was that ago,
yeah,
fam.
maybe. I probably did. Yeah, probably.
No, but safe, yeah.
But are you Jewish?
Nah, G, nah.
Cool.
Alhan, yeah. Pin me alive in it because I did it for long, so.
No, you did still. You did. Nice to meet you, my bro.
Maybe something more.
Love.
In a bit.
Why is he hotting me up? Did I say my Jew to him? Mad thing. Man said I was in Selfridges screaming my Jew. Alright, listen. I can't search names and I cannot